In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the clamshell assembly on a DeWalt cordless hammer drill. The clamshell set is the complete housing assembly for your DeWalt cordless hammer drill. It secures the motor and the transmission, provides the drill's grip, secures the switch, and gives the lock tabs for the batteries to secure to. Common problems with the clamshell assembly are that it's broken in some kind of an accident. Over time, the clips where the battery attaches can wear, and the battery will no longer be held securely. Replacing the clamshell set is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. Clamshell sets, as well as many other parts, can be found on our website. Let's get started. We'll begin by removing the battery. The rear cap is secured to the housing with 4 screws. I'll remove those. Next, I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the clutch and chuck assembly to the rest of the drill. Now remove the rest of the screws that secure the 2 halves of the clamshell. Here I have the new clamshell kit. I'm going to very carefully keep all the components assembled as one unit and transfer them from the old clamshell to the new. Now I can install the other half of the new clamshell and secure it with the screws from the old clamshell. Now install the clutch and chuck assembly. I'll line it up with the transmission and then rotate the chuck until the drill shaft engages into the transmission. Once it's aligned, I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll transfer the bit holders from the old housings to the new. I'll use a small screwdriver on the back side of the housings to snap the holders out. And now I'll just slide the holders in place on the new housings. And now I can reinstall the rear cover and secure it.